bang bang. Captain excellent rhymes, boy for the ladies. Ajah, Jack on the surface CMS. Like where Bokije.
Waiting we no go see for Lagos. 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 Lagos.
Put up your clothes and buckle up your shoes. Stand up on your feet and don't let them lose. You got to grind just to live a better life. Oh, last kitty, brother, no be my trouble. I let my village out of Lagos. Make a grind just to make money, make them call me bro. So
You attended Western Boys High School?
Yes, ma'am.
We can't employ you.
Why, ma'am?
Why you ask? The job description does not fit your personality.
My personality? I don't understand.
The interview is over. You can leave.
But please, ma'am. I really need this job badly.
That's the door.
Please, ma'am. I promise to discharge my duties accurately and promptly, sir. Please, ma'am. Please, ma'am.
Nonsense. You want to displace me? Go away.
if you dey hustle, make you keep up the work. Oh, no believe in anybody for nothing. No father, no mother, no auntie, no sister to ask you, brother, you don't chop. Oh, Lagos is a land of all man for himself. By yourself. Oh, when you get the money, omo dem go rush. Oh, village people go locate your address. Oh, from Jakonde to Agungi straight down to Ikota. Ajah people, Surulere, Lekki-Ajah, all my guys them they grind.
Sir, you sent for me.
Why did you ask him to leave?
Who, sir?
The interviewee, I saw him leaving mystified. And the moment I saw him, I liked it. Isn't he qualified for the job?
Exactly, sir.
What are your reasons? Never mind. Get me his resume.
Okay, sir. This is it, sir.
You went to Western Boys High School.
Yes, sir. That's the very reason I asked him to leave. He isn't fit to work here. Truly, I fear that school. The boys who attended that school are men. They are unnecessarily strong and firm. They fear nobody. They take risks that are mind-boggling. So I would suggest that such a person isn't a part of this reputable company. If he had attended a good private school, he could have been qualified for the position. But that Western whatever is a public school with a bunch of shoot men.
That's the word.
I didn't mean to use the word shoot, sir. They are corny and...
Excuse me. I want to see him right before me now.
Okay, sir.
Waiting we no go see for Lagos. Waiting we no go see for Lagos.
He's here, sir.
Can take your leave, I'll send for you.
Okay, sir.
Up, Western.
No rival!
You're a true son of the soil. Have your seats.
Yes, sir. Sir, are you a product of Western Boys High School?
Yes, I am.
Wow! I've been without a significant job for a very long time now. And I'm already feeling bad that all my parents could afford was a public school. But now, I feel so great as a Woba.
Wabats are not dollars. They are shrewd, they are dogged, they are reliable, they are trustworthy. That is why you are getting this job. Call me the manager. You are replacing her now.
Waiting we no go see for Lagos. Waiting we no go see for Lagos. Waiting we no go see for Lagos. Waiting we no go see for Lagos.
Faxyman say una go hear word.